Good evening from here in London. So just in the closing bell on Wall Street, equities did finish in minor positive territory for the day. So the reason for some of this positivity is due to some pretty strong US economic data with initial jobless claims proving good for the US. We also had a strong Philly Fed and Empire manufacturing data as well. So we have just seen aftermarket earnings from Adobe. They had a beat on their EPS and on their revenue as well. Their quarterly future outlook was roughly in line with expectations, and their shares were up around 3 to 5% in aftermarket trade. We also seen earnings from Research in Motion. They had a beat on their adjusted EPS, however they did have a miss on their revenue, and their Q4 outlook was pretty poor. However, it is worth noting that in the past few weeks we have seen Research in Motion warn on their future outlook. This has been attributed to some of the selling pressure that we've seen in recent weeks, and their shares are up around about 2% in aftermarket trade, so a bit of positivity for Research in Motion shares. However, that will remain to be seen as to how they open up in tomorrow's trade. So looking forward to tomorrow. It is going to be a relatively quiet calendar. However, one event to keep an eye on will be the US CPI data, expected around 1:30 London time. So that's it from us for the day. We hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.